Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Amazing Abhigna. Okay, till now I have posted many of the videos related to the art. That is, you can say it as mandala art, and recently today I have posted the Kantara art. It's based on the character from that movie. It plays the main protagonist role in that movie, Kantara, the deity god. So I have posted that video. I hope you like that video and pour some love to my channel. I'm working very hard. Recently I have started my channel and hoping so you will give me with good opportunity and pour some love, and that's it. Let's get back to my lecture, academic lecture. So now I'm going to start with my first academic lecture, that is based on computer topic, computer subject, and the subject which I'm going to teach is now data communication. And the main topic which I'm going to look forward to it is network types. So this video is basically of the very short span of time, will be taught in very short span of time in 3 slides of papers. So let's start with the topic, network network types. Basically, how will you connect a basic computer or a device in a network? Okay, hope so all of you are thinking, right? Okay, basically, in order to connect your computer or any device, you need to follow some basic network types. Those are divided into 4 types. Okay, we will talk about these types one by one. LAN, WAN, MAN, and PAN. These are the 4 network types by which, with the help of these network types, we can divide a basic computer or any device, and we can organize this device in a cluster free order in order to maintain the reliability and increase the connectivity of a computer in a network. Okay, so let's talk about LAN first. LAN. What does LAN defined as? It's an acronym for local area network, which are used only for specific range, which is less than 150 meters, which is specifically used for office purposes and building purposes. It's like short range with 150 meters, and basically it's used in offices and within buildings only. In that range only you can connect this type of, or you can find this type of network. And let's go back to the second type. First one is almost done. In the next video I will talk about their advantages and many more to go. And in the second type, let's talk about second type, WAN. We'll I will explain this in the next slide. Let's talk about PAN. PAN. What does PAN mean? PAN means personal area network. Okay, basically the name itself defines as it's only used for personal purposes, which with you can see that the distance range is less than 10 meters, means you can use or you can connect only those type of devices with a less range. I will explain further with some diagram. Let's talk about their diagrams. Okay, you can find the acronym of MAN here: Metropolitan Area Network, Wide Area Network, right? Okay, Let's go with metropolitan area network. As you have seen, the local area network limit, wide area network limit, metropolitan area network limit, and pan limit. Basically, metropolitan area is within the cities. It's connected within cities. And wide area network, it's like you can connect like around the world, country to country, country to country. Like you, it's kind of advantages for a basic computer. Like you can connect a computer within a country to country. It's wide range, but metropolitan area network is kind of network range where you can connect the systems within cities, I guess. Within cities, yeah, within cities, city 1 to, it's kind of let's take one example. City 1 to city 2, you can connect one computer of one city to another city. It's kind of network area. You can do this kind of networking. Okay, let's go back with their diagrams. So first of all, we will talk about diagram of pan. How does this structure, or what this structure basically about? Okay, we have seen their acronym, and we have not gone in depth, but we have touched superficially about types of network. So this basic diagram shows that how a personal area network is divided between the devices. You can see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, laptop, speakers, and pen drive. Like you can connect only your personal things, like in limited range, which is less than 10 meters. You can let's take an example. If you want to uh, like play a video in YouTube, or if you want to listen to some music, or if you want to do something on network, you need to have the basic thing, that is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is defined as, and its full form is wireless fidelity. Without this, you cannot do any work. And let's talk about pen drive. If you want to transfer one file to another file, or any basic thing for transferring from one device to another device, you can use this thing. In the same way, laptop also works like that. Bluetooth also, you have listened right now. Speakers for listening to music. Okay, personal area network is basically, it's kind of network where you can limit with less range, and only use for personal things, personal purposes, not for high range of high range limit of work is not done with this type of network. And let's talk about LAN. LAN is defined as local area network. Okay, this kind of diagram seems simple as compared to with this pan, right? So basically here one PC is connected with kind of straight line. This is known as node, or a point, starting point, terminal point, or a node. We will talk further in our next videos or next lectures further. So for now we will talk about this thing. Here all the PCs are arranged in a way that they the main central node, so that if one is connected, each and everything will like message will be passed in a fraction of seconds. It's kind of a local area network, right? So it's between local area network, between like offices or within buildings, connectivity is maintained. Okay, let's talk about man and van. Man and van. What does man means? Man means metropolitan area network within cities to cities, city 1 to city 2, right? Okay. Here, man is a combination of LAN, right? By looking at this diagram, you can make it out that LAN is mostly used here: school LAN, office LAN, hospital LAN, and college LAN. Within offices or building or school campuses and hospitals, you can find this kind of connection or network type. You can find its kind of range for less than 50 kilometers. The range is increased if you see with pan is less than 10 meters, and LAN is less than 150 meters. But coming back to man, it's less than 50 kilometers. You can find this kind of networking between cities or offices or buildings, right? And let's talk about WAN. It's a wide range of network type where you can found, or you can look up to this network type within countries or out of countries. You can find this kind of, it's kind of complex, but there are some advantages and disadvantages for each and every type of network. We will look forward to it. Okay. Okay, you can find here LAN 1 is connected up to, you can connect many LANs and WANs. So again, it's a combination of LAN and WAN. Wide area network is a combination of LAN and WAN, and MAN is a combination of only LAN, right? You can connect n number of LANs, n number of MANs in this wide area network. And that's it with this video. I hope it's kind of clumsy explanation, but though it is understandable, I hope that you have understood basic or superficial layer of network types, and in further videos I will try to make it more specific, with more explanation, with more examples, with more case studies, and with more questions, and with more clarity, and with more everything you can expect in in further video. You can expect good quality of video with proper explanation. I might get wrong with my pronunciation or clarity with communication thing, communication speed, everything in all. 100% proper video with good clarity, good communication, good pronunciation, everything with proper message. I try to put it in my video. Thank you guys for watching my short and useful. Basically, this network type is basic concept in data communication, and I hope so you have understood. In further video, we'll try to make it out with proper explanation. Thank you guys.